The newest iteration of the Hyundai Kona Electric is meant to turn heads, and it will, beginning its second generation, as a more cyborg-inspired, fully electric crossover. The new Kona Electric's design makes the last 5 years of the Kona look like a total yawn. The 2024 Kona has grown in length, width, and wheelbase, resulting in more space, room for a larger battery, and a smoother ride. The maximum driving range is up to, though only barely, to an estimated 260 miles. The Kona Electric is front-wheel drive only, and the two battery packs offered differ in output by 133 and 201 horsepower. The gas-powered Kona, reviewed separately, also gets a complete overhaul for 2024. The new Kona Electric receives a massive improvement in fit and finish for the new generation, to elevate the subcompact EV from an eco-friendly feeling box. Hyundai opens up the interior space with a floating horizontal center pad to remove some of the division between front passenger seats. Ambient lighting also brings a little bit of moodiness and personalization to the cabin that helps illuminate the new Kona's fresh cockpit design. Unlike other EVs, the Kona Electric offers only a small front trunk suitable for storing the SUV's portable charging cables. Luckily, there's a much larger cargo area behind the rear seats. To stay competitive in the pixel wars, the new Kona Electric is outfitted with two 12.3-inch displays to handle vehicle info and infotainment. This new seamless unit replaces the previous generation standard 8.0-inch touchscreen and is larger than the available 10.3-inch display. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto will likely be standard equipment. V-motor, power, and performance. All Kona Electrics are front-wheel drive and powered by a single electric motor. The entry-level offering makes 133 horsepower, but a more powerful 201 HP version is available too. We had a chance to briefly test drive the more powerful of the two in Europe. Acceleration felt perky. The Kona Electric lacks the neck-snapping satisfaction we've come to expect from other EVs. Handling is competent, but the Kona's clearly been tuned with comfort in mind. And the quiet operation of the electric powertrain and the isolated cabin make it an easy go-in commuter. When we tested the previous generation Kona Electric, we recorded a 60 miles per hour time of 6.4 seconds. Although this new version is slightly more powerful, we estimate it will ultimately prove slightly pokier. When we get a chance, we'll take the new one to our test track and update this story with test results and more driving impressions. The Kona Electric offers two different battery packs. The base Kona Electric uses a 48.6 kilowatt-hour unit with an estimated range of about 200 miles. A larger 64.8 kWh battery is available and bumps the estimated driving range to about 260 miles. Hyundai claims that the Kona Electric can recharge its battery pack from 10% to 80% in 43 minutes during DC charging. The Kona Electric earned EPA fuel economy estimates of 129 MPGe city and 103 MPGe highway. When we get a chance, we'll take the Kona Electric on our 75 mph highway fuel economy tests and update this story with real-world test results. For more information about the Kona Electric's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Hyundai hasn't officially released all of the Kona Electric standard and optional features, but we suspect it will come with the same suite of driver assistance features as the gasoline-powered Kona. That package of features includes automated emergency braking and blind spot monitoring, but other tech such as a driver monitoring system and a self-parking feature are also available. For more information about the Kona Electric's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and HTSA and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety IIHS websites. Key safety features are likely to include standard automated emergency braking, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, available adaptive cruise control. Hyundai's warranty coverage is legendary at this point, and the Kona EV benefits further from a 3-year, 36,000-mile complimentary scheduled maintenance plan. Like other EVs, the Kona Electric has no oil filter, or spark plugs to change. So the complimentary scheduled maintenance includes tire rotation, cabin air filter changes, and a variety of different system inspections. Limited warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 10 years or 100,000 miles. Battery warranty covers 10 years or 100,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 3 years or 36,000 miles.
9. Received the Motor Week Driver's Choice Best EV Award for 2024. Last year, the 2023 Kia F6 also received the